Welcome back to Reform Custom Builds. I'm Justin. Today we're going to be putting LED lights on the bottom of our Jayco North Point RV, or fifth wheel. The reason for that is because whenever we were out camping the last few weeks doing things, not building stuff, we saw some other campers out there with RVs that had LED lights that really just made their RV pop. And so today, that's what we're going to be doing. And I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how to install these. I got these from Lowe's, big box store. They are rated for outdoor, so they should be fine and dandy for our camper. They are a 110 plug-in, so if you're looking for 12-volt plug-in, these are not the way unless you know how to splice in and go, and I'm not going to be showing you how to do that today. However, I will show you what's inside of the box real quick. You do get your 40 feet of course, your LED lights with the 3M tape on the back. You get your plug, which connects to this handy dandy little thing right here, where you can click on and off your lights manually, or as you can see, I believe on the box, we can control this with our phone through Bluetooth. And that's what we're going to be using, because in the state parks here in Texas, probably everywhere, you don't have a lot of access to the Wi-Fi. Though these are Wi-Fi capable, we're solely going to be operating off the Bluetooth. We want to make sure that everything's going to work so that we can operate these lights and make our Jayco North Point stand out and pop from everybody else's. Also inside of the box are a few versions or ways to connect little clips with screws. We're not going to be going that way. We are going to be cleaning off, degreasing the bottom of our undercarriage frame, and we're going to be using the 3M tape. So we're going to make sure that it's really, really clean. That's step one. Step two, making sure that we're straight up and that our lines are going to go where we need them to go as far as every wire and being able to plug in our locations to plug in. So with that being said, let's get started. Let's make this pop. All right, so step one is going to be getting the undercarriage cleaned off so that the tape from the 3M lights will actually stick to and stay on the bottom of the trailer as we drive down the road. We're going to be using the super clean degreaser and a fresh bucket of water to spray on, wipe off the excess with the water that is inside of that bucket. That's what we're going to be doing right now. That's step one. We got to make sure that it's going to stay. Step two, sticking the lights on. Y'all ready? All right, so now we've got the degreaser on. It's set for a few minutes. We're going to rinse it all off. Make sure that we're really nice and clean, like I said. So we're going to get down. We're going to rinse. Y'all ready? Okay, let's get the cat out of the way. Here we go. All right, so we've now degreased it, rinsed it. We even took a towel and we dried it off to make sure that the film is gone. And we are at the point of putting our lights on. All right, we're dried off. We're going to be removing the red part of the 3M tape. It's on the back of the lights. We're only going to remove a small little section first, and we're going to get this pulled back so that we're just shy of the actual end of the frame, because our other wire is going to loop back. Press gently. You don't have to press it so hard that you're going to break light bulbs inside of it. Just gently. If you clean the frame well, it ought to stick well. We're going to pull back. Give us a foot or so here on this one, because we're going in between these gas lines. Pull it. Press it. We ought to be doing good. And then we're going to take our excess here, pull it around on the other side of this gas line, and we should be able to just pull through. You'll feel a little give once we're past the gas line that's holding it there. We're still gonna press, and we're gonna stay straight down the trailer until we get to the other end. And then we'll plug it in and show you how it works. Be back in a minute. We're gonna bring it up through here because this cavity is completely empty, other than of course the propane tank. So we don't want to hit that. We're gonna come out right on this side, bring the camera over here. Right on this side, put a hole through and have us plug in up here in this plug instead of this plug where I originally said. So we're gonna put a hole through, bring our wire through, and then we don't even have to run or trace the wire anywhere down below. We just shove it through and go, and we should be able to bring the other wire from the second side over that way. So let's get busy.